Today we are talking about a very important topic for anyone who works with affiliate marketing: how to track affiliate sales properly. If you promote products online and earn commissions, it is not enough to just share links and hope for the best. You need to know which campaigns are working, which links bring sales, and how much you are earning from each source. Without proper tracking, you might waste time, miss opportunities, or lose sales. Now, in this video, I will explain the simple strategies to track affiliate sales, and also I will show you a few tools that make it much easier to monitor your results. But before that, just welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and online marketing. Today, we are talking about tracking affiliate sales and making sure every campaign and link you share is giving you the results you expect. I also placed a special offer link in the description for tools that help you to track sales more efficiently. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from description, because any special offer, they will be applied automatically when you sign up by using that link. Now let's talk to the main part of the video and talk about the strategies and tools for tracking affiliate sales. The first step is to organize your affiliate links properly. You should create a system where each link is labeled with the product, campaign, or platform you are promoting. For example, if you share a link on your blog, social media, or email, keep a record of where each link is used. This will help you later when you analyze results and know which platform brings the best sales. Without this organization, it is easy to get confused and waste time guessing which campaign worked. Another important strategy is to use the tracking parameters. Many affiliate programs let you add the UTM tags or special codes to your links. These tags help you to see which link or campaign brought the click and sale in your analytics dashboard. For example, you can see that visitors who came from an Instagram post converted better than visitors from a blog post. This information helps you to focus on the best performing channels and optimize your campaigns for more sales and higher commissions. Now let's talk about some tools. One popular tool is Google Analytics. Even though it is free, it gives you powerful insight about your traffic, conversions, and many more. You can set the goals to track the clicks, sign-ups, and completed sales. If you add the UTM tags to your affiliate links, Google Analytics shows exactly which links and campaigns are working best. For beginners, it might take a little time to set up the goals and tags, but once it's done, it gives you very clear information. Another tool that many affiliate marketers use is Volume. Volume is built especially for the affiliate tracking. It allows you to track every click, impression, and sale in one dashboard. You can see which campaigns, platforms, or countries perform best, and even you can test different ad creative or link versions. The reporting is easy to read and helps you make faster decisions. Volume also integrates with many affiliate networks, so your tracking is more accurate than just relying on basic analytics. Third tool worth mentioning is ClickMagick. ClickMagick also helps you to track affiliate links, conversions, and traffic sources. One feature people like about this is the ability to split test links or campaigns to see which one perform better. You can also see the detailed reports about the click, conversion, and even the locations of your visitors. This is very helpful if you are promoting multiple products and want to focus on the most profitable campaigns. Okay, so another key strategy is to review your reports regularly. It is not enough to just track the clicks or sales once in a while. Check your dashboard daily or weekly to see the trends. Notice which campaign are improving and stop campaigns that are not performing. The more consistent you are with analyzing data, the easier it becomes to optimize your marketing strategy and earn more commissions. Finally, remember that proper affiliate marketing saves you time and money. When you know exactly which links, campaigns, and platforms bring result, you can spend more energy on what works and less on what doesn't. Combining good organization, proper tagging, and the right tracking tools that gives you a clear picture of your business and helps you to grow faster. So in simple word, to track the affiliate sales properly, organize your link, use tracking parameter, monitor the campaign with the tools like Google Analytics, Volume, or ClickMagic, and review your reports regularly. This approach help you to make smarter decisions and grow your affiliate business efficiently. That's it basically for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe this channel for more videos, tips, and tutorials like this. And don't forget to use the special link from the description to get your benefit automatically. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.